Alright kiddos, so here's a little trick for your motorcycle. If you have a grip that's just a little bit loose, it's not quite on there all the way, just spin that grip off here. Now once that grip is off of our bike, we're going to set that aside and we're going to grab some hairspray. Try and find something that's like firm or extra hold. Pop the top off that baby and we're just going to spray this on our handlebar. And now we're going to take our grip and put it back on our bike here. It should slide on nice and easy, no problem at all. Kind of pinch that here, grip it, spin it around just a little bit. And now in about 30 minutes, that baby's going to be rock solid. Super cheap life hack for bikers.